Today we're going to clean the grout lines, and I'm going to help you determine what's the best product to use. Either just regular laundry detergent, Tide for instance, maybe with Clorox in it, or Clorox. This is toilet bowl cleaner. And the other is baking soda, hydrogen peroxide. So we're going to try all three of these, and we'll see how it goes. So the first thing to do is to lay a line. Have I got your attention now? Hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, should clean about 80 to 100 square feet of tile. And we're just going to mix a little bit in there. Stir it up with a plastic spoon. Okay, I'm going to take a couple of lines. Just pour it right on top. Let it work its magic. Okay, next we're going to take the Clorox with bleach. This is what you squirt in your toilet. Line right here. Line right here. I like it because it pours really easily. I don't like it because it smells really bad. The Clorox can really overpower a room. Next we'll take a little bit of Tide and just pour it on a couple of lines here. And I like Tide because it leaves a good smell. Now we're going to let it set up for a while. You can do a preliminary scrub and just kind of work it in a little bit. I think you could even use dish soap. The secret is just getting a soft bristle brush into the grout lines. It's already working really fast, but we're going to let it set up for a while. Okay, we've let it set up for about 15 minutes. We're just going to take a scrub brush, a grout brush, and go over it and see what comes up. Now I'll put down the baking soda. Put down the baking soda here and the hydrogen peroxide. And we'll do that one first. See how that comes out. Let's rinse some of this stuff off. See how it looks. Well, I'm liking it. Seems to do a pretty good job just cleaning, the top of the ceramic tile as well. Okay. Next I want to try the Tide, see how that cleaned. I may have to go back over that again with either the peroxide or the toilet bowl bleach. I'm not sure which I'm going to use on that. Next is the toilet bowl cleaner by Clorox. It will also clean the top of the tile. Well, do we have a winner? This was the toilet bowl cleaner. This was the baking soda, hydrogen peroxide. This was the Tide. I think Tide came in last. I think I'm going to have to use the toilet bowl cleaner to get in there. You can see some stains. Okay, this is the floor before cleaning. Okay, and here comes after the cleaning. And this is my preferred floor cleaner. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Give it a try. You're going to like it.